Do you want to turn some scrap wood into some serious Christmas cash? Then welcome to day 7 of the 12 scrap wood days of Christmas, and today we're building our top Santas. Let's get started. You're going to want to start off with 2 different thicknesses of wood. I've got a 9mm and a 15mm thickness here. The main body is going to be on the 15mm, and then the smaller front piece is going to be on the 9mm. As you can see, that piece of wood is cracked, so I am going to move down and draw the trace on further down, and we'll take over to the bandsaw and we'll just quickly cut these out on the bandsaw. Nice, quick and easy. If you're enjoying this content, if you could give me a follow, that would be great, and it would really help out the channel. So that's the main body done. Now we are moving on to like the hat and the beard and the face. Again, another quick cut on the bandsaw. Now we're going to hit it with the sander and sand them up and make them nice and smooth. And trying them out, and a lot of the sort of outer shape will be done on the sander later after they're glued together. So just again sanding the edges, removing any sharp edges. I'm waiting until I'm happy, and then we'll move on to gluing. So you don't want to put too much glue on because you don't want it oozing out the bottom. And these little clamps will be perfect for the job. When you're happy, just clamp them down and let them sit. I left mine overnight, and then we will be coming back to them in the next day. Taking them over to the sander and sanding off so the hat and the main body all sort of line up and are square, and just sanding away every other face I can with this belt sander. Then we're moving over to the Helen sander to get to the bits that I couldn't get to. I am hand sanding with 240 grit. And then when I'm happy with that, I then had to clean off a bit of glue squeeze. And then quick sand around the edge. And now moving on to cutting out the nose and hat shape so I could draw it onto the wood. And so I turned it into a little template. And as you can see, that looks great. Now we have to try and get these little balls to fit in there. It took me a while to find these balls. I ended up finding them on Amazon, and they're just light up replacement balls for an outside light. I've got a bag of like 100 of them. So now I'm just drilling out the hole for each one. I had to get quite a lot of tear out annoyingly on this, but I think it's because it's soft pine. Using the file here to remove any of the tear out, and then we're moving on to painting. So I started off with painting the beard. I painted the front and the side. I did 2 coats all round with all colours. The rules here are just take your time and go nice and slowly. I hit it with the heat gun, so I could dry them off quickly and just keep cracking on. And as you can see, the difference of using the second coat of white on top of that. Now onto the pink. There's not much here to paint, so just take it nice and easy and go around the hole and try not to slip past the line. And hit it with the heat gun again, and then go in for a second coat. And then we're moving on to the red. And then look at that, adding a bit of red, and look at how much it just pops. This colour looks great. What a great shade of red. And again, just being careful, going around the beard, try not to slip and painting any of the beard. And when I'm happy with that, I hit it with the heat gun again. And then we will be moving on to the back. And again, hitting it. I bought some LED string lights, and I managed to get 3 of the lights into the balls. So I just cut them off, and then was then just left with the 3 lights. I got them into the balls, and then got all the excess wire into the back of it as well. And then yeah, just hot glued them in. So doing the same again here, getting them into the light, and then just like that. I do wonder if using warm white would have been better, but I don't have any warm white to try it out. Yeah, just gluing it into place. And then we will also glue the battery compartment onto the back as well. And I did fill in some hot glue in the back of the hole as well, just to help hold it into place. And yeah, there you go, and gluing it on. And just like that, they are now done. These were quick and simple. I'll probably sell these for between £6 and £8. Obviously, you've got to take into account that there is the lights and the ball you had to buy. It's not just a bit of wooden paint like most stuff is. But I still think you can make good profit off of these. And these would just fly off your stall. And you could mix it up. You didn't have to do red. You could use it natural. You could stain it a different colour. You could do the hat could be different to the body. There was a lot of things you could do differently with this. You could even put some form of wording on it along the bottom here. It's really up to you what you do with it. And I will put the plans for these in my shop that has just launched on my YouTube channel. And let me know what you think of these down in the comments. Use the word Santa beforehand so I know you got this far through the video, so I can answer your comments first. If you enjoyed this video, I've queued up a video just like this one right here for you. And if you're enjoying the 12 Scrapwood Days of Christmas, I've got the playlist right here for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you for day 8.